Alright guys, today, volume 1, we're going to be building some outriggers for the old canoe here. We're going to have a little bit of a series coming up on this canoe, getting it ready for some good river fishing and backwater lake. Let's get into it. Alright, I went out to Home Depot, got my stuff I need for my outrigger. We had these temporarily tied on for that trip, just do a little test run. And them things helped tremendously, but I'm getting ready to beef this up. Got all the PVC pipe I need and everything. First thing we're going to start off with is these caps. We got to get a hole drilled all the way through them. Let's see. Let me get this as center as possible. I think that'll work. Alright, now I got this boat and these small washers. Oh yeah, I like it being that tight. Let me go get my socket and I'll be right back with you. Alright, I'm back. I got that tight enough hole that I can thread that through and it'll be just even more secure. Oh yeah. Boom. Just like that. Which I could have probably got by with it like that, but I went ahead and got another washer. And another nut. To put on that end of it. And then a bigger washer. Okay. Let me get everything else set up and I'll get back with you. Alright, I just times it by 4. I've got them all run in there. It's good and secure. All 4 of them. Alright. Let's get this off here. We're just going to button these up for now. Not tighten them up by any means because we need to straighten these up this way. Leave them nice and loose that way, so I got plenty of adjustment. Alright, here we go. Just need short pieces for that one. I got her put together. Now I just got to take it apart and copy these pieces and these short pieces for the other side. When I get that done, I'll be back with you. Hey guys, if you're doing any PVC, I really highly recommend one of these cutters. I just got this one and I love it, man. It cuts through this like butter. Nice, smooth, straight cut. And it just clicks down. Then when you get to the end, you just pull it apart, put your next piece in there. Worth every penny. I think I look pretty good. Alright. That's aluminum. And the 4 holes, if I set that dead center, it'll be a back support. Now on the back though, I'm gonna have to come off of that like I said in that previous video, because only 2 bolts in the very back here is gonna go in. And then with the seat down, it'd be something like that, which it would still clear. Yeah, I'll just have to come off of that with a support. But I believe I can get one to sit there and one to sit there. Now I just got to come up with a crafty solution. I got to just come up with a crafty solution to come across here, which I got a good bit right here with this bend here and this angle for a trolling motor bracket coming back right there. That's good, because this thing right here would be a lot easier with a trolling motor. I think so. Alright guys, just finished up on volume 1 of the canoe upgrade. Got the outriggers done, working on seat placement. Next episode will be putting the seats in and possibly going ahead and getting the trolling motor bracket done. Alright, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I got a black and blue crankbait that I custom painted. If you can tag somebody that likes fishing and stuff and get them to subscribe to my channel, hit the like and the bell notification, that way so everybody stay updated. I will be doing the giveaway in about a week. I'll do a week and then see how many subscribers we can get going. If we get enough of them, I'll go ahead and do 2 giveaways. I'll give away 2 of my custom painted lures. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Hit the thumbs up, bell notification, subscribe if you ain't subscribed. I appreciate everybody watching. You guys have a good one.